Hi everybody, welcome to the EduFriends Afrikaans reading course. This is book 2 of phase 3. The title is My Kamer, which in English means my room. I'm going to repeat the Afrikaans words 3 times so you can practice with me. Window, venster, venster, venster. Lamp, 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 lamp. Bed, 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 bed. Chest of drawers, laikas, laikas, laikas. Mat, 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 mat. Cupboard, klerekas, klerekas, klerekas. Clothes, klere, klere, klere. Chair, stoel, stoel, stoel. Toy box, speelgoedbox. Let's say it slowly. Speelgoedbox, speelgoedbox. And again, speelgoedbox, speelgoedbox. Table, tafel, tafel, tafel. Toys, speelgoed, speelgoed, speelgoed. Let's practice these new words in Afrikaans sentences. In English we would read, "This is my bedroom," and in Afrikaans, "Dit is my kamer." "Dit is my venster." "Dit is my lamp." "Dit is my bed." "Dit is my laikas." "Dit is my mat." "This is my cupboard." "Dit is my klerekas." "Dit is my klere." "Dit is my stoel." "Dit is my speelgoedboks." "Dit is my tafel." "Dit is my speelgoed."